Hey everyone, I know it's been a while, but welcome back to Inherited Beauty Co.'s Tips and Tricks. I am Crystal and I am the owner of Inherited Beauty Co. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and sign up for exclusive discounts at inheritedbeautyco.com. So let's get right into it. So topic number 3 is be sulfate free. If you aren't familiar with what sulfates are detergents made of sulfur containing mineral salts. They attract oil and water and are responsible for turning liquids into a foamy lather. Sulfates are found in many hair and body cleansers like shampoo and toothpaste. You may be saying, now Crystal, that's a good thing, right? For our hair, not so much. Our goal is to retain moisture and keep it balanced so that way it'll maintain its natural shine. Using a sulfate-based shampoo completely strips your hair of that. That's why using sulfate-free shampoos are ideal. Do me a quick favor and check the back of your current shampoo bottle. If it has sulfate on it, then you are not using a sulfate-free shampoo. Sulfate-free shampoos cleanse your hair, but leave behind natural and essential oils like sebum to keep the hair's natural shine. So you may be scratching your head at the word sebum, so I'm going to break it down for you as I understand it. Sebum is an oily, waxy substance produced by your body's sebaceous glands. Your face and scalp contain the highest concentration of these glands. Sebum is actually beneficial for hair retention because it can help retain moisture when it coats your hair. Depending on your production level, which for everyone it's different. Me, I don't produce a lot of sebum, but for those of you that do, make sure that you massage your scalp regularly. That will help break up that sebum to prevent it from getting trapped on your scalp. Bonus fact, another way to prevent sebum buildup is by sweating it out, followed by a steamy shower will help move sebum down the hair shaft, which is beneficial for length retention. Anywho, back to the main subject. Even though we want to avoid stripping our hair, clean hair is a must. So set a good deep condition and wash day schedule. Most people wash every other week, maybe a co-wash in between, and once a month work in a deep cleanse day paired with your deep conditioning. For a deep cleanse, I would recommend using Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay. You can use this on your face as well. So if you are feeling like you need a facial, a deep pore cleanse on your face, you can use this as well, but I use it for my hair, and I'll open it up for you. It's calcium bentonite clay. You can mix this with water, or you can mix it with apple cider vinegar. Either one will do great. It will help break down any product buildup, especially if you have low porosity hair like myself. This is really good to combat product buildup. And it will also deep cleanse. So any toxins or impurities that may be trapped in your hair, it will draw all of that out. Now, this stuff will dry your hair out. That's why I recommend that you do this on your deep conditioning day. You will have to replenish that moisture into your hair. Otherwise, the benefits of this will be completely lost and it will damage your hair and leave it brittle. So you have to make sure that you restore your hair with some really good moisture once you do this clay mask. You can use a product specifically labeled as a deep conditioner, or you can use a standard conditioner and a shower cap to produce indirect heat, and both will get you very effective treatments. Let's review. Sulfates strip hair of natural oil and shine. Sulfate-free shampoos cleanse but keep the good stuff. And remember to set a good wash day, deep cleanse, and condition schedule that will be beneficial in maintaining your hair's moisture. And that's a wrap for sulfates. Again, these facts that I'm presenting to you are just what I've found in my own research, so feel free to Google, get out there and find your own research on sulfates and natural hair care. But if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments or send me a direct message, and I'd be more than happy to help you with any hair care needs that you have. Be sure that you again subscribe, follow on Instagram and Facebook at Inherited Beauty Co. and shop inheritedbeautyco.com. Thank you so much for watching, and you all stay beautiful. Hold up, wait a minute. We have been talking about sulfate-free shampoos. This right here is my go-to combo right now. So it is Miel Moisture RX Hawaiian Ginger Anti-Breakage Shampoo and Conditioner. It has avocado oil and ginger infused into the recipe. So this stuff has been doing wonders for my hair, and I want to bless one of you with this combo. All you have to do is like this post and tag as many friends in the comment section. Each tag will enter your name into the drawing. Get to tagging, and I hope you win.